Excel has always been seen as a simple spreadsheet tool, but hidden inside it is a powerful engine that changed how companies clean data and build reports. Most people never explore beyond formulas and pivot tables, so they never discover the deeper capabilities that sit quietly beneath the surface. For years, teams struggled with manual work because they believed Excel had no better way to handle messy data. Yet the truth is that Excel contains a feature that can automate entire reporting workflows. This feature is Power Query, and once people learn it, they never return to the old way of doing things. It becomes the foundation of reliable reporting, consistent data, and faster decision-making. This is the story of how Power Query transformed modern reporting and helped teams escape the chaos of manual data cleaning. Before Power Query became widely known, data cleaning was slow, repetitive, and frustrating. Every week, teams downloaded CSV files from different systems and tried to fix messy exports by hand. They removed duplicates, corrected dates, aligned columns, and repeated the same steps again and again. The work was not only boring but also risky, because one small mistake could break an entire report. People spent hours scrolling through spreadsheets, trying to find errors that were hidden among thousands of rows. The process drained time, created stress, and caused delays in reporting. Managers waited for numbers that were always late, and analysts felt overwhelmed by the constant pressure to deliver clean data. This was the reality for many companies before automation became accessible. Every department faced the same problem. Finance teams spent hours cleaning bank statements and matching transactions. Sales teams struggled with inconsistent CRM exports that changed format every month. Operations teams tried to merge spreadsheets that never matched because different systems used different naming conventions. HR teams dealt with employee data that arrived in multiple formats. Inventory teams worked with stock reports that had missing rows and duplicated entries. Across the company, people were drowning in manual tasks. Errors appeared in almost every report, not because people were careless, but because the process itself was fragile. When a workflow depends on manual steps, mistakes are inevitable. This created a cycle where teams spent more time fixing data than analyzing it. The worst part was how easily things could go wrong. One mistake could break a report. One wrong formula could mislead a manager. One missing row could change a decision. People accepted this chaos because they believed there was no better way. They believed messy data was normal and that reporting delays were simply part of the job. When a company relies on spreadsheets, it often assumes that errors are unavoidable. But the truth is that errors come from manual work, not from spreadsheets themselves. The tools were never the problem. The process was. Teams needed a way to clean data consistently without relying on human effort. They needed a system that could handle messy exports without breaking. They needed automation, even if they did not know it yet. In one company, the finance team was collapsing under the workload. Every Monday, they received 5 different data files from 5 different systems. None matched. None used the same column names. None used the same date format. Some files had missing rows. Others had extra columns. Some used text for numbers. Others used numbers for dates. The team spent half the week cleaning data just to keep reports running. By Wednesday, they were still fixing errors. By Thursday, they were merging tables. By Friday, they were rushing to finish the report before the next cycle began. The CFO wanted answers, but the team could barely keep up. They were stuck in a loop of manual work with no time to improve the process. By the time the team finished cleaning data, the numbers were outdated. The CFO asked why reporting took so long. The team had no answer. They knew the process was broken, but they did not know how to fix it. One analyst decided to search for a better way. He looked through forums, tutorials, and documentation. He discovered a feature inside Excel that most people ignored. It was called Power Query. At first, he did not understand what it could do. But when he opened it, he realized it was not just another Excel tool. It was a completely different environment designed for automation. It was the turning point that changed everything for the team. He clicked Power Query and a new window opened. It looked different from Excel. It looked like a data workshop. Instead of formulas, it had steps. Instead of cells, it had a preview table. Instead of manual editing, it had transformations. He loaded a messy CSV file and Power Query cleaned it instantly. It removed blank rows, fixed date formats, detected column types, and transformed the file without formulas. He did not need to write code. He did not need to build complex logic. Power Query handled everything automatically. It was the first time he saw data cleaning happen without manual effort. He realized this tool could change how the entire team worked. He loaded another file and Power Query cleaned that too. He merged two files and Power Query matched the columns automatically. He refreshed the data and Power Query rebuilt everything in seconds. He tested different scenarios. He changed column names. He added new rows. He removed fields. Power Query adapted to every change. It did not break when the data changed. It did not complain when formats shifted. It simply rebuilt the workflow. He realized this tool could replace hours of manual work and eliminate the errors that slowed the team. It was not just a tool. It was a system that could automate the entire reporting process. The analyst rebuilt the entire reporting process inside Power Query. He created a pipeline that loaded raw files, cleaned data, standardized columns, merged tables, removed duplicates, fixed errors, and produced clean output. He added steps for validation. He added steps for formatting. He added steps for consistency. The workflow became a complete automation system. It did not rely on human effort. It did not rely on manual editing. It did not rely on fragile formulas. It became the first automated reporting system in the company. The team could finally focus on analysis instead of cleaning. He saved the file and clicked refresh. The entire workflow ran automatically. What used to take 3 days now took 10 seconds. The team was shocked. The CFO was impressed. The company finally had reliable numbers and a reporting process that did not collapse under pressure or human error. The workflow became the new standard. Every week, the team loaded new files, clicked refresh, and received clean data instantly. The reporting cycle changed forever. The team gained time, confidence, and clarity. Power Query became the engine behind their reporting success. Once the team adopted Power Query, everything improved. Reports became faster. Errors dropped. Data became consistent. People stopped fighting spreadsheets. They started analyzing instead of cleaning. The team finally had time to focus on insights and decisions instead of repetitive manual tasks. They built dashboards that updated automatically. They created models that stayed accurate. They built workflows that did not break. Power Query became the foundation of reliable reporting. It changed how the team worked and how the company made decisions. Other departments noticed the improvement. Sales wanted automated dashboards. Operations wanted clean inventory data. Management wanted weekly updates without delays. Power Query became the backbone of reporting across the entire company. It improved every workflow that depended on data. It connected systems that never worked together. It cleaned exports that were always messy. It created consistency where there was chaos. The company finally had a unified reporting system that everyone trusted. The analyst realized something deeper. Power Query was not just a tool. It was a mindset. Automation is not about speed. It is about reliability. It is about removing human error. It is about creating systems that work even when people are busy, distracted, or overwhelmed by deadlines. Power Query taught the team that good reporting does not come from working harder. It comes from building systems that work consistently. It changed how they approached every workflow. They stopped relying on manual steps and started building automated processes. Power Query gave the team confidence. They trusted their numbers. They trusted their process. They trusted their decisions. The company finally had a reporting system that did not break when new data arrived or when formats changed. It became the foundation of their reporting stability. Managers made decisions faster. Analysts produced insights more accurately. The entire company benefited from the reliability that Power Query created. Today, companies use more systems than ever. Accounting software, CRM platforms, e-commerce dashboards, inventory tools, HR systems, and payment gateways. Every system exports data differently. Some use text for numbers. Some use numbers for dates. Some use different column names for the same field. Power Query became the bridge that connected all these sources into one clean reporting flow. It standardized data from different systems and created consistency across the company. Power Query standardizes data from different systems and creates a unified reporting flow. It turns messy exports into structured tables. It removes manual work and reduces errors. It gives teams the ability to focus on insights instead of cleaning data. It changes how companies work with information. It becomes the foundation of automation. It ensures that reporting stays accurate even when systems change. It gives companies stability in a world where data formats constantly shift. Power Query is the engine behind modern reporting. It is the foundation of automation. It keeps reporting stable and accurate even when systems change. It ensures that teams do not waste time repeating the same manual steps every week. It builds confidence in every number that appears in a report. It gives companies the ability to scale their reporting without increasing manual work. It becomes the backbone of reliable decision-making. Power Query turns chaos into clarity. It transforms inconsistent exports into clean structured data. It gives companies a reliable way to manage information from multiple systems. It is one of the most powerful tools inside Excel and one of the most important skills for anyone who works with data. It helps teams build workflows that do not break. It helps managers make decisions with confidence. It helps companies operate with accuracy and speed. Takeaway: automation is structure, consistency, and reliability. Power Query gives you that structure. It removes human error and builds confidence in your numbers. It is the tool that keeps reporting stable even when everything else changes. It is the foundation of modern reporting workflows. It helps companies move from manual work to automated systems. It helps teams focus on insights instead of cleaning data. Once you learn Power Query, you never go back. It changes how you work with data forever. It gives you speed, reliability, and clarity. It helps you build systems that support better decisions every day. It becomes the foundation of your reporting workflow. Follow for more business stories, automation insights, and reporting techniques that help you build reliable systems and make smarter decisions.